Hey everyone, it's Paul. I just got back to Japan and I just wanted to tell you, I just literally flew around the world to 6, 7, 8 countries, and it was an epic trip. But when I got back to Japan, I just said, oh my gosh, this is unbelievable. Everything functions here at such a high level, whether it be the showers in the hotels, whether it be going through the airport and going through customs, whether it be going to the drugstore and buying something and seeing all the bandages displayed perfectly with visual controls, whether it be going to McDonald's and having a specific place to stand when you're waiting for your order. Everything functions. It's just so crazy to be in a culture, after contrasting to so many other cultures around the world, where everything just works and there isn't any struggle. And when you go by somebody, instead of them pushing by you, they stop and they say, "Sumimasen," and they let you go in front of them instead of running you down. It's an amazing place. The contrast is so huge. I can't wait to see all of you here.